Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Samsung Galaxy A04 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, create a small gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Slide the tool around the edges to carefully release the plastic clip securing the frame. This process is slightly challenging and needs patience. Next, take out the back cover from the body. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the not working vibrator motor from the body. First, undo 7 screws to pull out the speaker cover. Next, take out the charging port board by disconnecting the antenna head and the LCD connector plug. Next, apply some heat to pull the faulty vibrator motor from the body. Next, secure the new vibrator motor in the body. Next, place the charging port board and then secure the antenna head and the LCD connector plug. Next, secure the cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, secure the board cover by inserting 10 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. To close the back cover, first align it carefully over the phone. Next, gently press down along the edges. You will hear little clicks as the clip snaps into place. Run your fingers along the sides to ensure every clip is snapped. Finally, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.